Hi, my name is Seth. I'm a prof in the Faculty of Dentistry at Dalhousie University. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chip mug cake that you can pull together with a few simple ingredients to attack those late night study cravings that you'd have at home. You're going to need to take at least a 12 to 14 ounce mug, 3 tablespoons of butter or olive oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips, or more if you'd like, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. So the first step is to take your butter, put it in your mug, and melt that. All right. Once your butter's melted, you next want to add your cocoa powder, your flour, white sugar, baking powder with a pinch of salt. Stir this together really well. You don't want any lumps. The mixture is going to be quite a thick paste. That's completely normal. You want to add your vanilla extract and your milk. Don't be shy, give it a good stir. And last but not least, your chocolate chips. Stir those in and then to the microwave for 90 seconds. So after 90 seconds, you want to make sure you let that sit for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to continue baking just a bit more, and you'll start to lose some of that sort of shiny look to the surface. This cake is ready to eat, but not before you top it with a little bit of ice cream. Chocolatey, light and fluffy, perfect study break. Watch me on the Great Canadian Baking Show, September 19th, 8 o'clock, 8:30 Newfoundland on CBC, cbc.ca/watch, or the CBC streaming app.